Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to finally unbox my BoxyCharm. I am so excited that I finally subscribed to BoxyCharm. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, which I am sure that you do, it is a monthly subscription box which costs $21 US. You get 5 full-size products which would be worth at least $100. And I just love to buy new makeup all the time, so this would be an awesome investment for me because I'm going to obviously get way more makeup. Whatever, I'm just blabbing. Any which ways, so let me show you what are the goodies that you are going to receive in your August 2018 BoxyCharm box. So with every box you get a card which will describe all the products, the cost, and what are they for, in case if you're not able to figure it out. So the first product that I see is from Bang Beauty. This is a chocolate eyeliner. Okay, so the card says use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat. And the price for this product is $22. So let me show this to you. Okay, so the packaging is pretty cute. This is a cute tiny glass pot and it comes with this lid. This is how you use the product. I will definitely try this and see how it is. I'm not going to use it today in this video, but I will use it in another one someday. I'm sure that I'm going to use this mostly as an eyeshadow base and not as an eyeliner. The next thing that I see in my box is, it's called a Dees. Either it's a Dees or a DC New York Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essential Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. So this is awesome because I do need a good cuticle oil. So this is how the packaging is, and you just need to use it on your cuticles like this, and then massage the product on your nail, so it will keep your cuticles healthy and all that good stuff. And when you use a cuticle oil, or to be honest any kind of oil or cream on your cuticles, it makes your nails and your hands look extremely healthy. Alright, so the product is okay, so this cost $18. These are all US dollar prices and not Canadian. I will definitely convert it and add the Canadian price somewhere down here. Next product that we have in this box is, oh my god, I'm so excited, not for this product but simply just for the entire box. Alright, so this is a Smashbox lipstick, and they had like a couple of lipsticks that maybe you were supposed to receive randomly, I don't know. This is Be Legendary lipstick and it's in the color Punked Nude. What? Why did I say nude? It's Punked Matte. But first of all, this lipstick came broken. So this top portion that you can see, this is like squished in the lid itself. Maybe someone was testing it before they put it in the bag and they did not close it, and they didn't put it all the way down and then just close the lid. I do try this on in the video to just show you. However, I'm not a fan. I don't think I'm ever going to use it except for like Halloween or when I'm feeling like extremely edgy, or I don't know when is that gonna happen. So the next product is from House of Lashes. These are their Bambi style lashes, and yeah, I am excited to receive them. However, I don't wear lashes, and especially fake ones. What the hell, especially fake ones? Of course, I don't wear fake lashes. So this particular lash cost anywhere between $9 to $12 USD, of course. And the last, no, not the last. And then we have the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. Now this is a pretty cute and tiny palette. I've never tried anything from Laura Lee, and I think I did watch her a couple of years ago, once or twice, but then I did not follow her much. So this is great for people who do not own a lot of colorful eyeshadows, so you could just have this as a complimentary eyeshadow palette and use it only when you feel that you want to use colors. So it comes with a nice sized mirror and it is pretty heavy. It seems that it's well done, even like the cardboard packaging is pretty good and sturdy. Last but not least, we have 3 eye masks from Wonder Beauty, sorry, not Wonder. So you have 3 of these, which are pretty good. I will try them. I've never tried eye masks, so this is one thing that I'm interested to try. Now that I'm going to create this look, I'm going to share with you that I'm not just going to use the products from the August BoxyCharm, but I'm going to use it also from the July BoxyCharm, because I did receive that box. I did not unbox it on camera or anything like that. So I am going to incorporate the July BoxyCharm as well as my August BoxyCharm in creating this look. So if you're interested to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I already have my foundation on. I used the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 228, and then I went ahead and used my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast just to contour the perimeters of my face, and now blending it with my Real Techniques contour brush. I went ahead and used that particular shade from my NYX contour and highlight palette. Using the Chella brow product, I filled in my brows. Now I'm using the Note Cosmetics blush in Desert Rose. This was a part of the July BoxyCharm. I'm using the second shade in the bottom row as my crease color. This is a beautiful brown with a hint of red, and you can build it up really well. I like the way all these colors blended in my crease. They were very simple and very easy to blend out. Using the darker shade from the palette, I will concentrate it on the outer edge of my eye and then slowly taking the shade into the crease of my eye once I have minimal product remaining. It just gives a nice cat eye shape and I love it because that is always what I'm going for. I absolutely love that shape and I think that is what complements my eyes the most. So I stick to it. Going back into the first shade, I am now blending away any harsh lines and then taking a fluffier brush and again going ahead and blending the 2 shades together. Taking the first shade from the palette, I'm using it as my brow bone highlight, and later on I also use it as my inner corner highlight. Now on to the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. Honestly, I do not like this palette. It is extremely patchy, very chalky, and I did not experience any fallouts with this palette, but these shades, they crumble on your eyelids like nobody's business. Oh my god, I was so disappointed with this product, and I have never had such bad experiences with any palettes that I owned so far. I tried my best to build the shade up to its best capacity. I could not do it, so I sprayed my brush with some Fix Plus, and oh my god, it turned into a chunky monkey. There were chunks of the eyeshadow that were caught on the brush, and this has never happened before. Because I always spray Fix Plus on my brushes and eyeshadows to intensify the shade, but this has never happened before, that the shades don't get chunky. I later on tried some more eyeshadows from the palette and they all did the same. So I guess this palette is pretty chalky and it is very disappointing. I then used this pretty pink shade from this Crown palette and it was beautiful. I love it so much. I really want to do a look alone with this particular eyeshadow. That is how much I love it. And as you can see, I did not spray my brush with any Fix Plus, nothing, and it is still beautiful. The color payoff is really good. So then I just went ahead and blended all the colors together with my flat shader brush, and then followed it by a clean fluffy brush to again blend all the colors in. I took the same crease shades that I used for my lids and used it on my lower lash. Followed it with the purple eyeshadow from the Laura Lee palette, which was Hungover, and the pretty pink eyeshadow from the Crown palette. I added some more of that pink on my lid because I love it so much, followed by the stark white eyeshadow from the Crown palette as my inner corner highlight, the same that I had used for my brow bone highlight. For my eyeliner, I am using my NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is all that I use. This is my favorite and I'm not gonna change it anytime soon as it is affordable, easily available, and it is one of the best black eyeliners that you can find. So I winged my liner, and what I always like to do is take it in the inner corner and create a small V so it makes your eyes appear more cat-like. So I then use the Wonder Beauty mascara, and it is a nice mascara. I liked it. Okay, so now it's the time for the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick, and I don't know what I have to say about the shade. It's just so weird to me because I am never going to use this shade in my life. I am so sure of that. But apart from that, it is a very, even though it's a matte lipstick, it is pretty comfortable on the lips. I was surprised by that. And it does not leave a drying feeling on your lips, so I do appreciate that. Using the Maybelline Color Riche lip liner in Matte-Stermind, I am just lining my lips, followed by a pinky nude shade from Wet n Wild, and the shade is In the Flesh. It's from the Mega Last lipsticks, and in my opinion, this pink nude complements a variety of brown, olive, and deeper skin tones. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.